Hi! In this video tutorial we are going to show you how to lighten a heavy 3D model using Keyshot's features. The command that allows us to act on the weight of our model is called Re-tessellate and is part of the tools made available by Keyshot. Let's go to Tools, select Re-tessellate. This window allows us to act on the whole assembly, modifying the triangles of the whole model, or to select a single element as we do in this case. Then you can change the quality of the tessellation, the only function we are going to use now. So let's press Tessellate to view a preview. As we can see, the mesh of triangles is very dense. We must try to reduce the number of triangles to lower the weight of the model. We then use the slider and we approach 0. Then we press Tessellate and see how the number of triangles has been significantly reduced. Let's go now to evaluate what differences there are. Let's press Apply and let's get closer. The excessive reduction of triangles can cause loss of details. In this case, the fillet we observe in the adjacent piston has been completely altered and replaced by a straight line. We can also see it from the side. Where our hole has lost its sphericity and has been replaced by triangles. This is not good. We must in fact find a compromise between the good aesthetic quality of the model and the final weight. So let's try to reuse the command, go up a little, go to 0.05. I remind you that we started from 0.2 and see the result. The number of triangles has gone up. Let's see if our fillet is back. The shape is certainly more defined, but it still remains quite rough. So let's try to go up a little more. Let's go to 0.1. As we can see now, our fillet is almost complete. This is a good value for maintaining good quality and reducing weight. We started with 6,000 triangles and now we have reached 2,800. Also remember that there is no recommended number of triangles. It is good to make several attempts to figure out which number is best suited to our specific model. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. I remind you to subscribe to our channel not to lose any news, and I invite you to watch our videos for more information about Keyshot and my AR Studio.